I've stopped my slide sharing. I'm going to show you how I'm doing some of it. Yeah, now I'm using a Mac computer. So a Mac laptop. So I have an iMovie feature, but it depends on the what we're going to at the editing. Yeah, it depends on what are the laptop that you're using or model that you're using. Yeah, so I'm just going to quickly show you, share my screen again. Share. Okay, so this is my iMovie. So what I do is that when I do all my recording in my phone. My phone is a Samsung S10e, but I love iPhone, Samsung and Mac laptop. All right, so then I have my projects here. Okay, so I have my projects. So I have a few projects. So this is the first video that I did is actually here. This is my son doing his video. Now, this is the first video that I did. So I go into the projects. Yeah, wait, I'm just trying to see how I can bring this down here. Projects. Okay, never mind. I'll just go here. So this one is I learned. Okay, so this is your playhead. This is called the playhead. This cursor, this yellow thing is that when you stop here, and then I can see what I'm doing here. Videos in the market and see what they're doing, but then that's not you. That's not original, all right? So this is like the video clip. So this is what I meant in the beginning. You have a few seconds, and mine is actually about 7.9 seconds or something. So I have this thing coming out like this. Hi. What's the one thing about making your own video? So yes. Ask question there. And then this is the, okay, let's go here. So that is the one page screen that I said that will appear. So I talk a bit, and then there'll be some things that will be appearing. All right. Don't copy. What is your objective? So it is 2.17 seconds the text. So now guys, this is very the technical part of it, but do it. You can also do it in your phone. So my whole video is 1.37 minutes, and I took about half a day to do that because I've not done it before. So it needs a lot of help, and I Google and I search how to do and all that. And here I learned how to put my logo, how to put some pictures. So now I'm so good that the one I also added music. This is another video that I said that I'm doing. Creating your own video part 2. This is where I'm talking about the 4 types of presenter. So I'm so super excited on this video that I have here. I have the presenter here. I have the victim here, the boring tone of voice, and I'm developing all this. All right, that's great. So I'm going to stop this. Now I'm going to show you my YouTube today. Okay, so I'm going to show you, I better don't cancel that. Escape. Okay, I'm going to close this first. Day 4, safe. All right, this is Darshana Sri is learning about her dance. Okay, so chat coming in, ripple effect. How do you insert company logo while you are talking? Fauzia, I can show you. It's picture in picture, Fauzia. It's called picture in picture. There's a format called, so it depends on the laptop that you're using, I guess. All right, now I'm just going to show you the Facebook page that I have here, right? So this is what you all need to do. So Jamuna here, it's my personal Facebook page. All right, I don't have that many people. It's just a lot of friends, and I have about 537, and I keep on unfriending people. So sorry lah. And then when I go to home, I have my pages here. These are pages that see more here. All right, pages that I join other people's group, and then there are also this is our page. So for example, GEMS Academy, it's my company page. Now this company page is anybody can just come and like anybody. It's an open group. They just come and like my page. So I send to people to like my page. So I invite them to like my page. Then I post whatever. I have my video, I have my posts and all that. All right, so I have this. So this is my company page. I don't put there I make a butter cake today. Only my personal page I make my butter cake. All right, now next, home. Wow, today we have a lot of session now, 9-11 already. Now in my groups here, creating your own video. This is our 3 minutes. Guys, ladies, today we must take picture. Every time I keep forgetting to take picture. This is your group, as you're the group that you are in. And if you see here, I don't simply invite people. This is people who really want to come in. The group type is social learning. All right, these are all the files that I've uploaded. So this is how you can actually create your own group, and you only I have about 38 members who wants to be in the group, but some are not so active. So like Christine posted here, this is my live video. She said, go to units. So when you go to units, whatever that we have discussed, I've posted here. So you know what? I'll tell you a secret. All these, right? I'm gonna elaborate, and that's gonna be my product for the next batch that I'm gonna sell. Yay! Okay, so this is you click on it, you got the assignment, and then you click on it. There are the videos that I have, the recorded sessions. They're all here in the videos. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna show you my YouTube page. Okay, so in your YouTube, okay, obviously this shows that what people watch in my house lah, pranking my sister, Tiana swimming, kids, this is my yoga, right? So my kids use this. Now you go to your channel, okay, and then I can go to my YouTube studio. YouTube studio, you can upload it in your phone also. Guys, I know we are a bit, 9:13 already. If 9:30, some of you need to go off, it's fine with me, but I'm going to stay until 9:30 plus so that I could answer your questions, yeah? All right, great. So this is my dashboard. Now, please pay attention. I would like to show you what happens when you post a video in YouTube. Now, if you look at me, I only have 18 subscribers. You're so shy, yeah? 18, 18, not 81. Because I said, I never wanted to do this YouTube thingy. I mean, I do Instagram, but not YouTube. So, but now, just because of these few videos, my ranking is a little bit higher compared to my previous video. So here you go to your videos. When I click, these are all the videos that I've actually uploaded. So long time ago, I did my Taipusam, then I did a few things, and after that I stopped. So if you look here, right, my old videos, I just want to show you the Game Changer workshop. I accidentally, now just pay attention that my Game Changer workshop, I accidentally put it made for kids. I have to change this. You need to click none. Only when you click none, more people will watch and people can give comment. I just learned. So here in this video, it's made for kids. That's why people cannot comment on that video that I made. So if you see here, there is no comments there are no comments because it's a safety for the YouTube. What I'm trying to say is that they don't want all this sexual, predators to lurk on the children. So when children do video, when you put something made for children, people cannot simply comment and post a link about some X-rated thingy. This is a safety in the YouTube. But for us, we should put none. So after that, I learned already put none. Now, look at this video, right, that I created. And if you look at my views, 73 views already, which I did on 18, that's yesterday, 73 views. After I post this, I posted this video, there are only 2 views. After that, I did this video, only 8 views, and this video, only 2 views. Now, why? The question, the why is this video, the 73 video, 73, right? Okay, this 73. Okay, so I would go here, options. I get this shareable link. Okay, so your link is copied to my keyboard and I paste it at a lot of places like this. All right, so I have here just test discussion. So when I post it here, I get more likes. You get what I'm saying? So I have actually posted here, and I've also posted in my LinkedIn. So what I'm trying to say is that when you create your video, if you think that I just upload in YouTube people are gonna watch my video, no, because you're not famous yet. All right. So what you do is do your video, upload it in YouTube, which I'm going to teach on Tuesday, step by step on how you're going to do that. Upload it in YouTube, and you copy that link and you go into your LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, I have about 5,288 connections. This is the LinkedIn portal. All right. So I go to my LinkedIn. All right. I went to my LinkedIn and I have actually, I spoke about this video. All right, so just to show you, yeah, so just look at my notification here. So I'm teaching you what's going to happen after you post your video. Now, some of you may think about, Jamuna, you know, my business, I cannot put in LinkedIn. Why not? Why not? You're a professional. Or even if you're a housewife, who said you cannot go into LinkedIn? You have a lot of valuable knowledge, transferable knowledge in you, right? Don't have that. So here, let's say, so I posted about this in my video, okay? So I said that one day ago, why you need to create video? This is a recorded version, I do for beginners. I put that beginners. I scared people, you know, comment, oh, this video not good. As I always say, beginners. Do comment, watch. So when I put that, here there are only 18 likes, but there are views of my post, and then people will comment. And what is going to happen is that when people click here, it's going to go to my YouTube views. You understand that? That's why the other videos I haven't posted in LinkedIn or my Facebook. So that's why there are no views. So you can see the difference now. All right, good. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you today on how you need to create more likes and views. And when you see all this comment, right, you need to comment on people's thing. Then people say, oh, who is this Vyasa? Vyasa is a good training partner of mine. So this is how people go into your post. You have to start liking and commenting on other people. If you have nothing nice to say, just say awesome, thumbs up, finish. And people want to know, who's this girl always commenting? All right, so that's the thing. Okay, so I'm going to stop my slide sharing now, 9:19.